Varicose veins, a condition affecting approximately 20% of adults, not only affect appearance but also cause discomfort and pain. In this presentation, we'll explore effective yet simple methods to alleviate and prevent these troublesome veins. These methods aim to restore confidence in showcasing your legs once more. Before we begin, note that all information here is unbiased, fact-checked, and reviewed by qualified health professionals. Now, let's delve into 9 natural ways to combat varicose veins. 1. Compression stockings. These stockings aren't just fashion items. They're scientifically proven to alleviate varicose vein symptoms. By applying controlled pressure, they enhance blood circulation and prevent blood pooling. 2. Sclerotherapy. This non-invasive treatment eliminates varicose veins appearance and associated symptoms like pain and swelling. 3. Maintaining a healthy weight. Shedding extra pounds through a balanced diet and exercise reduces strain on veins, supporting smoother blood circulation. 4. Yoga and stretching. Yoga poses and regular stretching elevate legs above the heart, improving circulation and reducing vein pressure. 5. Avoiding prolonged standing. Long periods of standing increase pressure on veins. Resting allows better blood flow and reduces strain. 6. Microsclerotherapy. This minimally invasive procedure redirects blood flow, gradually fading problematic veins without invasive surgeries. 7. Laser surgery. By utilizing heat energy, laser surgery prompts damaged veins to close off, mimicking the body's natural response to injury. 8. Endovenous ablation therapy. Inserting energy-emitting catheters redirects blood to healthier veins, naturally eliminating affected veins. 9. Endoscopic vein surgery. Leveraging advanced imaging and tiny incisions, this surgery reroutes blood flow, addressing weakened valves and dilated vessels. Incorporating regular physical activity, a balanced diet, herbal remedies, maintaining a healthy weight, and elevation techniques offer holistic and sustainable management of varicose veins. These natural strategies enhance overall well-being without invasive procedures. Please remember to subscribe to our channel, click the like button, and activate the notification bell if you wish to see more content like this. Thanks for watching.